Out there in the cosmos exist 5 terrifying celestial objects beyond human comprehension. And that last one? It makes black holes look like insignificant specks in comparison. Coming in at number 5, the supernova. When a violent, massive star reaches its dying moments, its internal fuel gets completely depleted. The outer layers can no longer resist gravity's pull, collapsing inward and compressing into the core. Then comes the violent rebound. All that matter gets ejected outward at nearly light speed, creating shockwaves through interstellar space in a catastrophic supernova explosion. The energy released equals hundreds of years' worth of radiation from our entire Milky Way galaxy. It could instantly wipe out all life within 50 light years. But the real cosmic killer is what comes next, the gamma-ray burst. Just one photon from this carries hundreds of thousands times more energy than our sun's photons, capable of sterilizing any planetary system in its path. If Earth got hit, our entire ecosystem would be obliterated. Here's the chilling part. There are actually many aging massive stars relatively close to Earth. If one goes supernova, we might witness the surreal sight of 2 suns in our sky, right before doomsday arrives. At number 4 we have neutron stars, the densest objects in existence after black holes. When a star about 29 times our sun's mass collapses in a supernova, the unbelievable pressure forces electrons into atomic nuclei, canceling out protons to form pure neutron matter. Though tiny, just 4/10,000% of Earth's size, their gravity is terrifying. A single sugar cube-sized chunk would weigh about 1 billion tons. Their extreme magnetic fields generate deadly particle storms that can rip apart stars. If you somehow got within thousands of kilometers of one, its magnetic forces would shred you atom by atom. Your very molecules would get stretched into spaghetti strands before merging with the star forever. Number 3 brings us to black holes, the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners that swallow everything, even light itself, rewriting the laws of physics as we know them. When a supermassive star dies, its core's gravity becomes so strong it can trap even the explosion's energy. Space itself gets dragged at light speed, forming an expanding bubble that eventually stabilizes into a black hole's event horizon. Inside this region, space-time gets twisted into a hyper-fast vortex where everything, including light, gets spun toward the singularity. At the center, space-time becomes infinitely curved, all paths led inward. Even the flow of time itself points toward the center, despite finally capturing an image of one after decades of effort. How they truly form remains one of cosmology's greatest mysteries. Some theories suggest entire hidden universes might exist inside. The runner-up at number 2 are quasars, massive star-like objects we can only detect through radio signals. These are the brightest, most violent objects in existence, racing away from us at near light speeds. Even the closest one, 10 billion light-years distant, outshines our sun by 430 trillion times while emitting energy equivalent to 1 trillion suns. Their diameters stretch over 1 light-year. Scientists suspect they're powered not by fusion, but by supermassive black holes devouring matter at incredible rates.